Hi everyone, my name is Crystal. I am back with a new video. Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well. Grab some tea, grab some coffee, grab a snack, whatever it is. Just make yourself comfortable because we will be putting on some makeup on this face. I'm actually going out with a friend later on to town for dinner, so I thought might as well, film it down, catch up with you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Just gonna fill in my brows as per usual. I always do my brows first before anything. And yeah, how are you guys? I hope you guys are doing great wherever you are. How's life? How's school? How's work? Let me know. For me, I have been chilling at home recently for like the last 2 weeks or so. I have been, recuperating and just preparing myself to transit into my next job. So yeah, your girl has a new job and I'm starting somewhere. I believe I should have started by the time I upload this video. Should be my first or second day, I can't really remember. I'm really looking forward towards, a new chapter in my life in a sense, because I think my previous job, my first job, it's an eye-opening experience, if I can say so myself. If you're new here, hi, hello. I'm actually an animator / video editor kind of thing for my full-time job previously. So the role from my next job is somewhat similar to that. This time around, I think I'm editing for social media this time around. So that's quite exciting. It's something different, the whole different platforms and everything. So I think that'll be quite interesting and eye-opening. Fingers crossed that my mental health doesn't deteriorate rapidly again. When I look back when I was working and now currently not working, I feel a huge difference in my energy in general. Way much more happier. That's all I'm gonna say. But the whole no income thing does freak me out a little bit. Granted I have a job upcoming, but still, freaks me out a little bit if I didn't have a full-time job as a safety, the barrier net, that kind of thing. I noticed that I don't feel as anxious as well. I think there was an immense pressure and stress, and I think the anxiety was really what got me. The anxiety was so bad for me that I often could feel my heart racing. I remember I was wearing a smartwatch for a period of time, right? And I remembered my heart rate will go all the way up to 80, 90, sometimes even 100, just sitting at the desk. I think about work or whatever. I kid you not, that heart rate thing was pretty accurate. Well, I said I'll keep my answers PG, but I just felt that it wasn't a great place for my health. I imagine if I had stayed there longer, I don't think my health would be in a good condition either. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna be kind to myself. Yeah, and I think that's one of the takeaways from my first job, I guess. Just to be kind to yourself. Not say to take life super easy and don't hustle. No, I don't think so. Definitely hustle for what it's worth. Work is just a part of life, not your whole life, I think I was very swept up in the whole hustle culture, in the sense that I felt that, I'm gonna dedicate my whole heart, Shinzo Sasaseo, my whole heart, my whole life to my clients and client work and everything. But at the end of the day, all I get was a good job. And I mean, that's working life, right? Not everyone is going to appreciate what you do, and maybe from a technical point they don't understand and things like that. But I think I have learned to just disconnect myself from after working hours. Please don't disturb me at all, because I will not respond to you unless it's something really urgent, like something is on fire or somebody broke in, that kind of thing, maybe. But then it's literally I'm not paid enough to care. But whenever I do content for myself, creating makeup, beauty, creative stuff, I totally enjoy myself doing such things. It feels great to, finally spend a little bit more time at home, some peace and quiet. And yeah, I get to go and eat food and stuff like that. I recently decided to take myself on a little date to the AOT Exhibition here in Singapore. I am a huge fan of Attack on Titan's Genocide Eren, looking a little bit too hot for comfort. Granted, AOT is probably the only manga or anime that I feel so strongly about. Honestly, my day-to-day, I don't really watch or read too much anime or manga. AOT is really the only one that I keep up with. Heck, even like Demon Slayer, all that kind of stuff, I don't really keep up. Sorry, back to the AOT exhibition. I think it was fun, it's just that I think I paid like $18 for tickets, it's quite affordable, but the merch there is crazy expensive, like bruh. One tote bag was I think $75 if I'm not wrong, and I bought 2 t-shirts. One t-shirt is $75. I was out of my mind. What was I doing? I don't know, but hey, now I have Aaron's butt on across my chest. Win. What other things did I do during my break? Just stayed at home, played some video games, made myself happy, and yeah, that's more or less it, I guess. I don't think I really had any core memory moments, I guess. You know, it was just a really good break. I know the moment I start work, I'm gonna treasure this break. I'm gonna miss this break so much because who in the adulting life would rest for 3 weeks? Sounds like a dream, honestly. I know that if I was still working and I hear that, oh, I took a break for 3 weeks, oh, ooh. Yeah, this is supposedly a purple mascara, but this is the pigment, but there's nothing much on my eyelashes. Should I just go in with my Kpop mascara? Yes. Okay, my Kpop mascara, the stopper came off, and now we're dealing with mascara overload. Oh lord. Okay, you know what? I'm not dealing with that. I'm just gonna crack open a Kill Lash mascara from Clio because this is my go-to. I don't know why that broke on me. It's such a shame. Yeah, it's a Kill Lash Super Proof mascara in volume curling. I usually get the long curling, but I recently picked up the volume curling, so we'll see how it goes. Kill Lash mascara is still the supreme mascara of all Asian mascaras. I'm just gonna say it, folks. Better than Etude House. I swear by this of all times. A+. Look at that. Ooh, it saved my lashes by quite a bit. One quick tip though, if you ever make mistakes like what happened like with the whole like purple mascara thing and you think that, oh, I'm just gonna put on this black mascara and that's it for this, I know, don't do that, because in the event that you don't know what's gonna happen to your eye, what you wanna do is replicate the same mistake. So what I'm gonna do is actually apply the purple mascara as well on this eye. This is by Miliko, I guess. It's okay mascara, but I think I just have 2 sad, short, straight lashes. So now that I have this side of the mascara on, right, I'm just gonna go in with the Kill Lash mascara from Clio again. If you ever make a mistake, like example, you use a little bit too light of a concealer, use the wrong shade of concealer on your eyes, for example, then you do it on the same for the other eye as well. At least you balance the mistake out, you know. Work it till you fake it. I mean, fake it till you make it. Sorry, wrong way. I think if y'all have been around my channel for a while, you'll know that I actually do listen to K-pop like quite a bit in the past. But listen, I am an old K-pop fan. I'm still stuck in 2nd gen territory. I recently came across this like one TikTok where it was like, put a finger down if you know this K-pop group edition. All the old K-pop songs, SNSD, SHINee, Super Junior, 2PM, Beast, all of them, I knew that song. I scream it from the top of my lungs. But then when it came to 4th gen K-pop group, I literally stayed silent, no fingers went down. Like, they all sound the same. They all have this same very messy techno beat. I don't know, it just sounds too similar to me. I don't like it. I really don't like 4th gen K-pop, but granted, at least I'm respectful about it, you know. I don't go around saying, BTS. I noticed that it's always the little baby fans that always do this, like, it can be an article literally talking about the K-pop artist's wedding, and then they'll be like, oh, BTS paved the way. I'm like, how? How is this relevant to the topic? Not everything is about your faves. Oh my god, we literally can be just like in remembrance, loving memory of Jonghyun, for example, and then there'll be some babies being like, oh, BTS was first. I'm like, it was never a competition. What the heck? I'm not really keeping up with like SHINee schedule and stuff like that. I mean, look, your girl has her own schedule to camp about right now. I really feel that example like enlistment dates and stuff like that, or when they're out of military. I think what Taemin is not yet out of military. I know that he's like, you know, the poor baby is like suffering a little bit with his own mental health thing, and it's poor thing, honestly. I wish him all the best, you know. I hope he's doing well. You know, I still hope they are well wherever they are, but I'm just not so into K-pop that much nowadays. I mainly just listen to it for the music. Occasionally I'll come across like some funny variety K-pop TikTok kind of thing, and yeah, I'll watch it, yeah, that for sure, but I'm not like very like, oh yeah, they know this schedule, that schedule, you know, kind of thing. Nah, it's not me anymore. Granted, I mean, did I do that when I was younger? Not really. I love the boys no matter what, honestly speaking, but it's just really hard for me to listen to their songs. Yeah, I will still say ring diggity ding dong whenever the music comes on, but hard because I wouldn't like choose to go and like listen to them nowadays. If I had the choice, I would choose not to listen to them, which is whew, it's sad. I would like to believe that it's all just, you know, part of like growing up and not really like idolizing your idols like that much anymore, like almost like godify them a little bit. It's a very dangerous thing. I hope baby fans don't do that, especially that very scary age of like 13 to 15, 16-ish, when you're still a little kid. Do not be delusional, girl, and not be thinking that you're gonna marry your oppa, because trust me, you're not. You're probably gonna find yourself a semi-decent guy. Hopefully, I pray for you, sister, that you find a semi-decent guy and he'll treat you right. That's all. Speaking of dudes, I recently watched, actually not really recent, it's been quite a while, what's that show called? What's the one with the volcano? Singles Inferno! Yes, Singles Inferno. Yes, that show. I watched Singles Inferno, and let me tell you, I was initially like really against it, because I was like, love. I don't like love. How cringy it would be. But I watched the first episode, I was hooked onto it. Can you just agree that Moon Se-hoon is a train wreck, but a really hot train wreck? I guess the key takeaway for me, wow, I'm saying takeaway quite a bit today. I guess I think the key takeaway for me after watching Singles Inferno, right, was that don't put your eggs all in one basket. That's what I have learned. Tea for another time, okay? I gotta run because I'm gonna be late already. So yeah, this is the final look. What do you guys think? We're having a little bit of a purple mauve-y kind of moment, and I rarely wear mauves. And because today, I should zoom out first, hold on. Yeah, this is the outfit. We're having a little purple moment over here. Quite short, really cute to pair with the white in the purple top, and I'm carrying this black clutch bag. Really cute, I love it so much. The shoes I'm gonna wear are from Uniqlo, these off beige, cool tone beige, and I think they are really cute. Gonna be a cute look, and yeah, what do you guys think? So yeah, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I actually really like it a lot. And would you guys want a Natasha Denona palette review? I mean, it looks like this, and this is like technically my first Natasha Denona palette. Granted, I also bought this together with the Love palette, and I know the Love palette is going to be discontinued, so let me know if you want to see a video on this. I'm all over the place now, great. Anyway, gotta run. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Do remember to leave a like and subscribe down below. Also to ring the bell. The bell keeps you notified on when I upload. I usually upload on Fridays, so keep a lookout for that. And I will see you guys really soon. I gotta go. Bye bye!